Hello guys. On our last class, we talked about support and resistance. So on today's class, we are still on chart patterns, and what we're going to be doing right now is how to use support and resistance to get a trade. Remember when I was talking about support and resistance yesterday, the last class, I said support and resistance will actually be slants, like in form of trend line or in form of horizontal line. Now over here, it's a slant resistance line, and now having a slant resistance line, you can see the market has rejected at that line. One, two, three, fourth one did a fake out, then came back in. So now that's the resistance line right there. For there to be a resistance line, there has to be a support. I would like to avoid this week here, because if I'm to draw that week, it's a channel. Well, without the week, it's a flag. So let me add the week to it. So now we've seen our trend line. We have used trend line as support and resistance. Now, if we are to sell or buy, at what point should we be looking to put our take profit levels? Okay, so we're going to be using horizontal lines to look for areas where the market reversed in the past. Now, the market reversed at this point, which is here, reversed here before, here again. Okay, okay, right, that's good. Now, the market must reverse at that point more than once. So you guys can see the reason why this one looks like a fake out, because the market has reversed at this point several, using it as a support before, coming down using it as a resistance level. So anybody that was buying would have placed it or take first take profit here, because that's the next that's where the expected market will actually have either a reversal or a break and a continuation pattern. So we went there impulsively and we're coming back down impulsively. So that invalidates the breakout of this channel, because we are still technically inside the channel. Now here is another trend line I drew, trying to know, okay, what is the market going to do now? I'm just going to add more horizontal horizontal lines indicating support and resistance. Why did I draw this one now? One, two, three. Broke the third time and went to retest. Now why it was even going up, retest twice before coming down. So now that's telling you that that is a key zone. That's actually a resistance. It's a support and resistance zone. Now remember in last class I said that when the market breaks the support zone, it turns it to resistance. When it breaks the resistance zone, it turns it to support. So that's what happened there. It was support at this point. Then when it broke, it turned to resistance, and so resistance twice. So for expecting any reversal for Euro GBP, it's going to happen here. So now all we have to do is place a sell limit order. We're expecting to sell, place a sell limit order at 0.90499, or if you're expecting a buy, we take buy from the break of this point here. But I won't do that. So I'll wait for a reversal sign here because it's still technical inside what I would call a pendant, or a flag, an ascending channel. So I'll just expect a breakout. That's how I trade using support and resistance. A lot of people call it market structure, but I call it support and resistance. So let's watch. If it's going to break, then I'm marking out this place 0.8962 here as my take profit area. So let me go to the past and see if this area is actually going to hold as a take profit level. You can see right here, market did not get close to that line, but it reversed. Second reversal, third reversal, the break, then the retest, started retesting it. Now when it broke up again, it came back to retest it. So this is telling me that okay, I found a key zone that I can use. But due to broker spread, I just have to go up about 10 more pips because some brokers can be funny. You're expecting that your trade has actually hit take profit, only for it to get there and find out that the market went in your favor, then came back down. Went in your favor, then continued going up, and it did not actually trigger your take profit. So that's why 89785. So that's how I use support and resistance to trade some pairs. Let me see if I can add more pairs to it. I can actually look for more pairs to. I'll try using other pairs for the support and resistance. I don't actually want to flip my screen because I'm actually using my phone to do this video.